Hello, in this video I am going to show you how to set up Lambda1VR launcher. Really isn't simple to set up. This is the same for Windows, Mac and Linux, so I won't have separate videos covering for separate platforms, because as soon as you've got SideQuest set up, and I've got separate videos for Windows, Mac and Linux, feel free to check them out. There'll be a link in the description to the Oculus Quest playlist, which has all of them videos plus many more. You're all good to go. So what is the Lambda1VR launcher? If you've used Lambda1VR, if you haven't, there's no point really watching the video unless you're interested in playing the old school Half-Life game on your Quest. You can install Blue Shift as well and Opposing Force and have a HD version of Half-Life as well. To actually switch between them, you need to change a command on the headset's storage, and you have to do that by plugging in and manually changing the command. That's cumbersome. You just want to be able to easily launch between the different games, and that is what this launcher allows you to do. In the background, it is changing that command, so it isn't getting around that, but it doesn't matter how it's working in the background as long as it allows us to switch between games easily on the headset. So if we launch up SideQuest, again, got separate videos covering how to set this up, but if we just launch it up, plug in our headset, we'll probably go orange, asking for it's not authorized, so let me just put this on, and allow USB debugging, allow access to data, and probably ask me to allow USB debugging again. Okay, that's green now. So if we go to the home button and literally search for Lambda and go to this one, the Lambda1VR launcher, click install to headset, go to here, it's downloading it. Obviously I've already got it done, but you'll just install it again. So it's going to download the APK, then install it. The installation will probably be quicker than the download because it's a pretty small file. So that's done. Now we can actually disconnect the headset. Headset disconnected, it's gone red. And let me show you my screen now. So let me cast over my screen. And there's the control. This is one. I love the left one. Okay, so let me cast my screen, sharing, cast, computer, next. Okay, so you can see my screen any moment now. And now from here, just go to apps, this drop down, go to unknown sources, select Lambda1VR launcher now, not Lambda1VR. Go to the launcher, and you'll play some funky music. Probably won't hear because I've got it muted on the stream on the computer. So now we can move around here, which is pretty darn cool. Can I pick any stuff up? I can. Which is pretty darn cool. There's some information right here, but really what we're interested in is over here. You can feel free to change that custom command here, so if there's extra stuff you want to do, and there's sliders as well. But really, if I just click launch, takes us into Blue Shift. If I click quit, and let's say I want to go to Opposing Force, I'm in Opposing Force now. It's just saved right there, and obviously I'm gonna go to quit. And if I go to, okay, so the Lambda1VR has just crashed. That happens sometimes. Just go into it if it does. Go to, let's say we're going to launch Half-Life, and we're in Half-Life now, and I can quit that. And let's say, yeah, again, it's just crashed again. Let's go back into it. It's more just when I'm constantly coming in and out. Once I'm in the game, don't have an issue. We'll go to the HL Gold, which is just a modified version of the original Half-Life, but the HD version. So there you go. That is it. That is how you close this down. Yep, that is how you use Lambda1VR launcher to easily switch between the original Half-Life, Half-Life HD, Half-Life Opposing Force, and Half-Life Blue Shift. It's a lot simpler. So that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to pop me a message. And as usual, I look forward to seeing you in the next video.